The COVID-19 pandemic has upended our working world in ways we could never have imagined. Every workplace is different, but if your employees have worked in an open office where everyone gathers in a large area, you should ask yourself if an open, unprotected environment is still viable. Or will your employees feel safer with more personal protection, like protective barriers that can be easily cleaned and even personalized? If you decide to install protective barriers, several questions arise. What kind? How much? Who's going to install them? In addition, you'll need to consider if they'll be cleaned. What about wire management? Can they be adjusted to compensate for uneven floors? And finally, what about showing off your company brand? Introducing PlaceLyft Modular Office Solutions. Scalable, modular, and customizable to any office. From cost-effective and lightweight Lift 1 to more flexible and branded Lift 2 to creative and comfortable and custom Lift 3, we have you covered. These office dividers can be personalized with branded fabric backlit graphics. They can be installed with brandable whiteboard and magnetic panel options, and the gravity modular panels can be quickly assembled or reconfigured, all without tools. Wire management is easy. Silicone edge graphics are easily laundered. Satin anodized aluminum extrusion in several color options can easily be cleaned. See-through acrylic in either clear or colored translucent have easy to sanitize surfaces. The modular frames are designed to fit your office requirements with customizable heights and sizes, whether you start from scratch or simply want to modify your existing office furniture. Don't need dividers because you already have them? Not a problem. Many traditional cubicles are just 4 or 5 feet high, which doesn't offer enough personal protection. But since you already have cubicles, don't replace them. Instead, add additional height with Plex dividers that install using adjustable no-tool brackets that fit any system. These shields can be clear, colored, milk plexiglass, or even branded with your company name or department. Ready to step up and make a change for your employees' safety and sake of mind? Let's schedule a conversation with you and your facilities manager and our design team to create an appropriate solution for your specific situation. For more information, get back to us via email or telephone.